Hey everyone, welcome back to the Buddy Developer. If you're running a WordPress website and you want more leads, more signups, and more sales, then choosing the right form builder plugin can make a huge difference. Today, I'm going to show you some of the form builder plugins that are known for high conversion rates and why they work so well. First, WP Forms. WP Forms is one of the most beginner-friendly plugins out there. It comes with drag-and-drop form building, pre-made templates, and fast loading speed. What makes it convert well is its simple and clean design. Visitors don't feel overwhelmed, so they're more likely to fill out the form. It also supports multi-step forms and smart conditional logic, which keeps users engaged. Second, Gravity Forms. Gravity Forms is perfect for advanced users or businesses. It integrates deeply with CRMs, payment gateways, and email marketing tools. Its strength is flexibility and automation. You can create highly customized forms, which means better targeting and higher conversion when used correctly. It's powerful, but it does require a bit of learning. Third, Fluent Forms. Fluent Forms is known for speed and performance. Fast forms load quickly, and faster pages usually convert better. It also offers conversational forms, conditional logic, and strong integrations. If you want a balance between performance and features, Fluent Forms is a solid option. Fourth, Forminator. Forminator is a great free option with premium-level features. You can create quizzes, polls, and interactive forms. Engaging content keeps users interested, and engagement often leads to higher conversions. It's especially useful for bloggers and small businesses. Quick tip: no matter which form plugin you choose, remember, the best converting form is not the longest one, it's the smartest one. Keep forms short. Ask only necessary questions, and use multi-step layouts if you need more details. So if your goal is higher conversions, focus on speed, simplicity, and user experience. Choose the plugin that matches your skill level and business needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress growth tips. We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, or you're looking for someone to maintain your WordPress site, hire us at buddydevelopers.com. Subscribe this channel for more updates, and thanks for watching.